So I thought, okay, yeah, it makes sense. And if they look up to me and the show, then why not go on the show and just represent them and me? And if I wanted to make sure that women are safe in this environment, I came back on the internet, right? I'm just going with like a clean slate because I haven't followed the show much. So I'm not sure exactly what I should be prepping for. This is her on the other side, and I was like, "Yo, stop screaming!" Because she was very happy. No plotting. Plotting तो बहुत दूर की बात है. मेरे लिए तो सीधा सीधा भी खेलना. I'm like, yo, I'm tired.
बिग बॉस के साथ उनका एक बहुत ही ज्यादा करीबी रिश्ता रखने वाला एक सिनोनियम है जो कि है कंट्रोवर्सीज। लेकिन क्या हो, बिग बॉस के घर में घुसने से पहले ही अगर एक ऐसी अदाकारा है जिनके बारे में काफी ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्सीज है घर से बाहर से रिलेटेड। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हमारी अगली कलाकार, हमारी अगली कंटेस्टेंट है मूस जटाना, यानी कि मुस्कान जटाना, जिनके बारे में अगर आप सर्च करेंगे so you will find ample of controversies, a huge number of controversies in regards to her personal life। अब वो बनने वाली है इस कंट्रोवर्शियल घर का हिस्सा। तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ जानते हैं मुस्कान के बारे में थोड़ा सा और उन्हीं की जुबानी, और जानते हैं कि ऐसा क्या था जिसके कारण शी चोज बिग बॉस OTT for her, a game changer।
Well, I would say firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar. Pleasure having you here and congratulations. Big Boss OTT, quite the fun chapter to begin with, I would say.
Yes. A very fun chapter to start my life with. अभी तो शुरुआत है ना, इसलिए.
But what made you really say yes, for such a show that holds a lot of controversy, struggles, a lot of game planning, plotting, बहुत कुछ. Like, why Big Boss OTT?
अरे करण जोहर का फोन आया. Like, मुझ please.
आपके बिना कुछ बनेगा नहीं, so please join.
I wish, but no. I think it's more just that. बहुत लोगों के लिए this is an important platform. So I thought कि yeah, it makes sense. And if they look up to me and the show, then why not go on the show and just represent them and me?
Okay, so I would personally say that, no offense to anyone, but then a lot of speculations about you will surface on the internet. A lot of things will pop up, when you type your name. I'll be very honest. So do you think that being on Big Boss, being on a show that holds a backlog of, let's say, controversies, the synonym is like the brother sister to Big Boss. So do you think that being a part of Big Boss would be a very smart move? Because somewhere you will be able to clear all things that people have been saying about you, or maybe a lot more things might pop up. What do you think in that regard?
I think if I had to go off of controversies, people hide. The thing that happened to me, women hide. Women also do things much worse than that when it happens to them, which they don't need to at all. If I took a stand then, and if I wanted to make sure that women are safe in this environment, I came back on the internet, right? Took some time off and I came back. And if Big Boss is the next step, then कौन रोक लेगा? And also, ये सिर्फ बोलने लायक है. अगर किसी ने रोकना होता, अब तक रोक लेते. They can't stop me, no? This is my life. It's just the start, so it's okay. I am able to enjoy myself. And going on Big Boss is not a statement or a stand. It's more like I deserve a break and I deserve some fun and I deserve being around cute boys and girls. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna have a pool. I'm gonna wear cute clothes and I'll have fun.
But then what are your preparations apart from all these fancy stuff, wearing cute clothes or maybe boys and girls? But I'm sure because you have a little preparation in your head, you might have followed it, I'm sure, no?
I'm just going with like a clean slate because I haven't followed the show much. So I'm not sure exactly what I should be prepping for. I kind of want I always travel alone. And it's always very exciting to kind of, bump into new things or experiences. So even with Big Boss, I kind of just want to let it play out. I don't think it can be harder than what they've already put me through the last year. देख लिया सब कुछ, ये भी देख लेंगे, निकल जाएगा ये time, might win, might not, whatever it is, it's an experience and I'll be back home. And home is so much fun, by the way. My mom is great to me. So मैं कहीं भी हूँ, मुझे खुशी होती.
Well, now that you talked about your mom, so what was her reaction when you told her that, I'm entering Big Boss? I'm not some Big Boss. I'm entering Big Boss OTT. Like, that has no filter to it. What was her reaction?
This was me on the phone. This was her on the other side. And I was like, yo, stop screaming. Because she was very happy. My sister, on the other hand, was like, मैं नहीं देख रही show. And I was like, yo, chill out. You don't have to be like so weird about it. मैं जिस दिन घर भी छोड़ के आई हूँ ना, she's like, मैं नहीं देख रही. Because she thinks I'm very sensitive and very emotional, which I am, but she's also younger than me. So I know she cares for me and she doesn't understand as much.
Okay, in that regards, I would say that, what kind of a performer are you? Do you maybe believe in giving your 2000% in a task or something? Or do you plan and plot whenever you are into a situation? Or what is it like? Because Big Boss will give you a lot of challenges. They'll throw a lot of struggles on you.
I'm just lazy. No plotting. Plotting तो बहुत दूर की बात है. मेरे लिए तो सीधा सीधा भी खेलना. I'm like, yo, I'm tired. I don't know if I want to do this. You know, क्या ही हो जाएगा life में अगर मैं ये नहीं करूँगी. Things like this. I was always late to work because I was like, क्या ही हो जाएगा अगर late हो जाओगे, you know. So I'm hoping that I give my 2000% तो क्या 100% भी दे दूँ. वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. But I have no plans. I just want to be myself. And
But how many weeks or days do you see yourself surviving inside the house?
I see myself winning. Not because I'm so great, because I'm so grand, because I'm so smart. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I just think I'm like, मेरे को कोई जीतने कोई बड़ी बात नहीं लगती. वो different बात है अंदर जाके, you know, कुछ और लगे or whatever. It could be my overconfidence, which is not so fine. It's okay to be confident and whatnot. But I think that I could win it. So उस हिसाब से.
I'm sure every other contestant who's entering the Big Boss house sees him or her holding the trophy of Big Boss. I'm pretty sure, like every year. Okay, in that regards, I would love to know that, you know, what is it that one quality in a man or a woman or a person in regards, just that ticks you off? Like, you know, you would practically want to be away from such people. Like, what is that quality?
Ignorance ticks me off because I'm like, dude, you're an adult, like you should know this by now, you know. It's kind of like, an example is when parents tell their kids not to do this or that or whatever. It's not because they're protecting you, it's because they're ignorant. As parents you can do better, you know. इतनी तुमने दुनिया देख ली, तुम्हें अभी तक यही नहीं पता लगा कि प्रोटेक्शन कैसे होती है और what not, you know, controlling different बात होती है. So even with adults, I expect better from them. I expect better from myself as an adult. अगर इतनी तुमने जिंदगी देख ली, तुम बिग बॉस शो में आ गए हो, you know, तो इतना तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि what's right to say, what's not right to say, things like these. That usually pisses me off to the point where I'm like, I don't even want to interact with this person anymore. Not in my zone.
Okay, and if I would say that, you know, Big Boss every year कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा टास्क देते हैं जहाँ पे आपकी belongings, you know, target पे आ जाती है. It's there on stake. Are you afraid of that thing? Are you scared that, oh shit, that this thing might be taken away?
Ma'am, please don't say that. I have one pair of shoes that I've worn for 2 years. I literally do not have anything to wear. अगर उन्होंने मेरे shoes उठा लिए, मेरे पास और जूते नहीं है, वो भी मैं अमेरिका से लेके आई थी, तो आते आते टाइम लग जाएगा नए वाले. Clothes I don't have that much. मेकअप मैंने मम्मी का, मैंने कहा प्लीज यार दे दो थोड़ा सा, अगर कुछ है बंदा लगा ले, हाईलाइट आता नहीं है. So I don't know what they take from me. Probably my sister's letter. एक वो मेरे पास belonging है, वो भी वो फिर लिख देगी. कुछ नहीं है. तो 2 मिनट लगाए तो ऐसे करके लिख दिया. तो यार उठा लो यार जो उठाना है यार, तो अपना टास्क पूरा कर लो, खुश रहो.
But then there's nothing with you that you're scared of losing inside the Big Boss house.
Life में कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास. I'm really not the materialistic type. You know what I mean? Like as in आती जाती रहती हैं. You keep taking more, you keep giving. And that's why I'm saying I can be good for Big Boss, in the sense that life has been in such a way that I've traveled, I've moved a lot. I went to like 4 different high schools, you know. I'm not in touch with my father. I've lost people in my life. So in that sense, I'm like, dude, देख लिया है. क्या ही दिखा दोगे ऐसा जो मैंने नहीं देख सकता.
What if, you know, to increase the intensity of task or something, or maybe the challenges, if they just pop up somebody from your past that you are not really interested to meet?
अगर उन्होंने ढूंढ लिया मेरे बाप को बड़ी बात है. I'm so sorry, dude. Okay, I'm so sorry. अगर वो किसी को ले आए बंदे को, I would love to have a conversation with them. In the sense that there are a lot of people from my life that I'm not in touch with, and I am not afraid. मेरे को डर नहीं है. I haven't done anything wrong. So it's okay if this is what they want on television or, you know, on live or whatever. It's okay. Things happen in life. In the end, we all die. Yeah.
Quite the word, I would say. Okay, moving ahead, just quickly, I would love to know that, you know, घर में काफी task होंगे जो आपको basic, you know, the रोजमर्रा की चीजें जो आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. And as you have been staying all alone, traveling all alone, and chilling and all, so I don't think that you will have a problem with all these small things. But doing for the others, like, you know, खाना बनाना, घर की सफाई and all these, for other people is how prepared are you mentally?
कर लेंगे. दिमाग में गाने गाती रहूंगी, सफाई हो जाएगी, है ना. एक बार इस घर से बाहर निकलने दो, फिर बताऊंगी, you know. खाना बनाना is where the problem is. मैं तो बना लूंगी, मुझे
खाएगा कौन?
खाएगा कौन? खाएगा नहीं कौन? मैं तो बना लूंगी, मेरे को दे दो duty, whatever the hell, French toast for dinner, I guess, you know, because मेरे को कोई सब्जी वगैरह नहीं बनानी है.
What is that one message that you would want to give the other contestants out there who are gonna be inside the house with you? And I'm sure you don't know all of them, but then what message would you like to give them?
बेवफाई तो सब करते हैं. तो सब करते हैं. तुम तो समझदार थे, कुछ नया करो. So I want them to be nice to me. Please बेवफाई मत करो. Don't be like the other contestants. Let's have a good Big Boss show. Let's have fun with each other. Let's be nice. Let's be friends. ये मेरा.
But have you had a little sneak peek about who do you think would enter the house because काफी सारी speculations चल रही हैं, you know, there are a lot of reports of who might come, who might not come, that way around.
Yeah, so people are sending me articles and all, no? Oh, look, ये लोग आ रहे हैं, ये लोग आ रहे हैं. I'm like, मुझे नहीं पता कौन. क्यों टाइम पर मुझे नहीं पता कौन. So
So who is that one person that, you know, people have sent you and you're expecting to meet inside the house and you find him cute? Who's that person?
Sorry, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
I think I got the dotted line here, but it's fine. I would wish you all the luck. I wish that, you know, your dream of actually winning it and making a mark out there and, you know, a lot of other things that you're expecting fulfills. And I hope this is quite a joyful ride experience आपके लिए हो. I really hope.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहाँ आज मेरी मेहमान थी one of the Big Boss OTT contestants, Moose यानी कि मुस्कान जुटाना. I really hope that you would love watching this female contestant in the Big Boss की दुनिया. And until then, do stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.